Hello, Jack here from Weybridge Isuzu. Today we present you this beautiful Isuzu Dmax, brand new unregistered V-Cross manual. So the MY24 model, which is this one is the newest in the range, released January this year. A few differences on it, which I'll tell you about as we go around the truck, but it's really nice, to be honest. So on the front of the truck, we have the new front grille, new light clusters and new bumper. Just gives it a bit more of a rugged design and also more of a sort of refined feel to the front. Now the truck's finished in the onyx black, so this fits in really nice with the V-Cross, because on the V-Cross it comes with all the black accents on it, which are things like the wheels. So these got the new MY24 wheels, black side steps and black wing mirror covers. I'll take you around the back of the truck. So on the back, we currently have it sort of free to design how you want it. So if you wanted a canopy on the back, you can on these. If you wanted a roller cover, absolutely anything you want can be fitted to these. It's got a slow opening rear tailgate as well. So it's just nice and sturdy and slow, so it doesn't sort of hurt you at all when they drop down, because they do drop down quite heavy if they don't have it. So you can have load liner fitted to these, bed rugs, as I say, canopies, roller covers, tonneau covers. You don't have to have anything fitted if you didn't want to. Completely up to you with your choice. It's obviously got the V-Cross branding on the back. Now the MY24 model's also got new rear clusters on it. These look really good. Again, a bit more of an aggressive look onto it. And I'll take you round into the back of the truck. So, in the back we have full leather upholstery, which again is lovely. You have Isofix as well just down here, so if you did want to carry children. And it's got this new design on the seats as well, very subtle on the back, and it sort of just looks really nice, to be fair. And as I take you into the front, you've got the textured door cards, and it's matched up by the sort of trim here. Now the front seats as well have the same pattern on as the rear. It's sort of in the perforation of the seats, but looks really good. I'll just jump in. So to start it up, it's just foot on the clutch and press the start button here, and the truck kicks into life. So I'll just move my seat back so I can show you everything. So new on this year, we have on the steering wheel this black accents on the V-Cross. So again, it all just fits in really nicely. And as we come up here, you can see we've got a digital dash this year. So previously we haven't had that. We've had analog displays, but this looks really nice on it. You've obviously got your fuel temperature on the right, rev counter on the left, and then you've got your, sorry, let me just shut that. So then you've got your speedometer in the middle, and then you've got sort of different bits on here which are really nice. You can control your trip meters as you go through your miles per gallon. It sort of tells you your media as well, input. So if you're listening to radio, it tells you what radio station you've got on, and so on and so on. And you can also see here, you also have your lane departure warning. So when you're driving, it just makes it a little bit easier, and just, yeah, so much easier to see. Now, as we come over into the middle, you've got the new entertainment screen that's here this year. It's a little bit clearer, a lot faster, and a very nice reverse camera on it this year as well. Now, the reverse camera guides you, but it also will line you up with the tow bar, because obviously it's facing exactly where it would be if you had one fitted. Other features on here, so you've got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. A new feature this year is to do with the angles. So if you do take it off-road, it will tell you how your vehicle's leaning when you're going up hills, going down ramps and anything like that. Lots of new advanced ADAS systems this year as well. So they've taken the ones they had previously and they made them a lot better. So things like rear braking when you're pulling out of a space, if you sort of, or if it senses someone's coming across. Your sort of auto braking as well now judges when you're going around corners. There's plenty nice little extras on it. And as I take you down further, we have your climate control here. So this is very good because you've got the passenger and the driver's one. So there's no arguments when you're driving, no more. Then your two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive selected down here. So driving two-wheel drive is standard, and then as and when you need to, you can go across. And then some extra little features down here. So you've got your heated seats, both sides. If we start from the left to right, you've got your parking sensors to turn them off. Hill descent control, terrain mode, rear diff lock. So the terrain mode's new this year, and that just means that it will help put the power to the wheel that's needed when you're driving. So if you're off-road and you're in two-wheel drive and you feel like you need a bit of extra power, you can just press that on, and what that will do is that will push all the power to the wheels with the most grip on. Other little nice little features, we've got all your storage here. So you've got one here, you've got storage here, and then you've got storage here as well, so plenty. Then you've got all your cup holders, which include just down here, and you've got two in the middle, just down here, and one over there as well. So plenty of storage in the truck. Lovely black headlining just to give it that nice sort of premium feel. And I'll take you back out and around the front. I'll leave the truck running so you can still see the lights on it and the new clusters I was talking about. So this is our Isuzu D-Max 2024, brand new, unregistered. If you have any questions, just give us a call. But we do offer free of charge UK mainland delivery. But thank you for taking the time to watch our video.